Today's show is sponsored by NHS. To locate them, go to room 122 at Paoli Junior Senior High School. Today's
Good morning, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Tuesday, February 11th. Junior and seniors taking iStep this week, please remember to bring your Chromebook each day charged and ready to test. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Anyone wanting to purchase a Drama Club t-shirt needs to get $15 from Mrs. Wishart, and all Drama Club members need to remember to check their email. Hosta will be selling Pizza Hut cheese and pepperoni pizza during all lunches Friday, February 14th. The cost will be $2 a slice or $16 for a whole pizza. Delicious ice cream sundaes will be for sale on Valentine's Day. Pick up your sweet treat yourself on Valentine's Day. Monday, the Robotics Club will be selling Valentine's Day gifts at lunch. And now to Payton with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Colin. Tonight, junior high wrestling will be away at Mitchell starting at 5:30. Boys varsity basketball will be home against Salem starting at 6. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Colin.
JAG will be selling hugs and kisses and other candy February 10th through the 13th during all 3 lunches. Items will be passed out 7th period on Friday. Drama Club will be selling cartons for $2 for your Valentine's Day orders will be taken during lunch Monday through Thursday. Rams Unified will be selling chips and drinks this Friday during all lunches, chips for $2 and drinks for $1, or a combo for $2.75. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Colin. Checking out the weather today. We may see some rain later on in your day. Today we'll have a high of 55 and a low of 39. And tomorrow on Wednesday we'll have a high of 48 and a low of 40. Then on Thursday we'll see the temperatures rise with a high of 61 and a low of 32. Back to you.
I'm Colin Turner. That's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.